Given this graph, we want to identify its domain and its range and put everything in interval notation. So let's talk about the domain first. That's the inputs that are covered. We can see here we got this point and it's a closed circle, and we go to this point and it's a closed circle. I know it's hard to read in the video, but this is a -3 where it's starting and a 2 where it's ending, and those closed circles mean we want to include those. So the domain in interval notation would be -3 to 2. Notice I only use the x values in the domain. The y values will get used in the range, and we want to pick the smallest possible y value, which is right around 1. It might be a little lower depending on how you decide to see it. And we got a top one here, just maybe a little bit above 3. And so there's our range. Again, we see there that point's included and that point's included. So -1 to 3, let's say 3.2. We'll estimate it a little bit. And again, now we only use y values in the range. Now let's also discuss where this function is increasing and decreasing, and we'll start with increasing. When you read a graph, you read it from left to right. If it's going up, it's increasing. If it's going down, it's decreasing. Well, notice right here, the graph is increasing. So roughly -3 up to -2. So let's put that down first, and then we'll talk about it. So there's an increasing interval that should be a parenthesis. Always parentheses with increasing and decreasing. Okay, so it's going up, which means it's increasing. And this is our interval notation. And we only use x values because we're looking for the interval where it's increasing, not what it's increasing to. So you only use x values. Now if we look, there's another place where it's increasing from 1 to 2 right over here. And so if we have this happen where we have 2 or more places, we union them together with a u. We're going to do something similar for decreasing. You probably already see it as I'm writing this because it's just this piece in between. And the nice thing is we already know that's -2. We already know that's 1. It's basically the 2, it's in between these two guys here. So we know it's decreasing from -2 to 1.